Hey, let me talk about 5 whys and 5 hows method today. So, a structured problem solving technique to identify root causes and build practical and actionable solutions. The 5 whys means asking why again and again, usually 5 times until you get to the root of the problem. So the 5 hows means once the root cause is found, ask how repeatedly to develop step by step solutions. So this method helps make things easier to understand, gets everyone on the same page and leads to better lasting solutions. So let me list out how to conduct 5 hours analysis. First, define the problem. Clearly, concisely state the issue you are addressing. Then form the right team. So involve people with knowledge of the process to varied insights. Next, ask the first why. So record the reason the problem occurred. So repeat asking why. So use each answer to asking the next why question. So stop when the root cause is reached, typically by the fifth why. So finally validate the root cause, cross-check with the data and team input to ensure accuracy. Next, use the 5 hours method for solution building. After identifying the root cause, ask how can we fix this. Use each answer to ask how again to dig deeper into solutions. Repeat 5 times or until a clear, actionable plan is formed. So the tools you can use flowchart and fishbone diagram which will help us to brainstorm and organize causes and solutions. So here are the key benefits of the 5 whys and 5 hours method. So the first one is clarity. It simplifies complex problems into clear, manageable steps. The second one is collaboration. It brings teams together for diverse insights. The third one, structure. It follows a logical, repeatable process. The fourth one, actionable results. So it leads to practical solution by targeting root causes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for upcoming. We'll see you next video.